Okay, after finishing the main road profile, now it's easy for us to make the profiles for roundabout, ramps and loop because we have a reference for the roundabout. If we see here, starting from this point, the station at the same point. If I remove 20, now it's you can see 0 0. So it's mean the roundabout starting from this point 0, then going like here 100 this station, and 203 like 320 is the end. So when we will make the profile, already we have made profile for the main road. So from this point we have the reference. If I go to this point, suppose if I want to check this point here, station offset or a station, exactly I need the station. So if I check the station, this station is 4 plus 132. So if I go to main road profile 4 plus 132, this one, so already I have elevation 17.71. this elevation already I point out here. So starting up the roundabout number 1, first roundabout. So this the roundabout from number 1 profile is you can see from here the start elevation, the design elevation. NGL no problem for NGL, as you can see here, one proposed pipe culvert here. So the design level must be 17.71, and also for the end also 17.71. This the one technical point you must remember every time you made profile for roundabout. You must know that the profile for roundabout, the starting point must be equal to the elevation of the start point must be equal to the end of the elevation, because as you can see from here, the start point, when it's go like here, we also need elevation for this point, because it's connecting from this point, it's connecting to this point. So in the same process I will repeat. I will click on this one, also I will click on this because I need 2 station already. For the start I know this is the 0 0 0 station. If I click here and then I check the station offset or station elevation, this one 160.38 for the roundabout station. And for the main road, from the main road I will take the profile grade level. So I also need the station. So the station 4 plus 2 34. So if I go to here, 4 plus 2 34.17, this elevation is 19.47. so this elevation must be here in the center, 160 elevation. On the 160, if I go to station here, like in this area, this must be the same as the, because this the center of the roundabout, and then is go to here. Like if I go here, the profile grade starting from here, it will go up and then it will go down to the 0 point. So the 0 point and the station 0 and station 3 plus 2 320, it must have the same elevation, the same profile grade elevation. So that's why I make 2 curve from here, gaining the elevation for this point. For this point you must connect this point with the center station. If you don't know, go to click here and there is option, sorry, I will select this profile, and here this option station elevation you must specify here. So when you click here, calculate station and put here specify station, you must put like 160. I can put here 160, as you will see, and when you press enter, it will select the station 160. And at this point, as you can see, already I point out the center. So I draw a circle, so I know where exactly my profile must pass at that point. So from this point, you must create another curve to match the start point elevation, as 17.71 must be 17.71. So this the profile for the first roundabout. The same sorry, for the same process will be repeated for the roundabout 2, because this the station, if I mention here, okay, one station, I will select the two. So one is the two select the same point, so I will select one here. The selected, I will select the 300 only. This 320 and 0, this also same like the other one, 320. As you can see here, 320, and now I don't know why they are not separating from each other, but the same, the length and the station are same for the roundabout 2. So the process, the same process. If I go to the roundabout 2, first of all, you must calculate the profile grade elevation. This elevation from here we will get from the main road profile, because our main reference is the main road profile. So already we have created the main road profile 19.27. If I go here, 19.27, where this elevation for this point, I will show you this point, 0 point. 19 point. If I check here, this station is 4 plus 7, 117. So if I go to the profile, 4 plus 7, 117.26, exactly the station. You can click here if you don't know, just click here. If you select it many time here, and from here the depth, anywhere, select a profile view, just select a profile view, and from here any point, if you click here, specify station and then elevation, the depth is this one for the depth, and also the station elevation. If you select the profile elevation, any point here, as you can see, the station and also the elevation. If you don't know, you can calculate like this one, and then select the label, same like here, I adjusted here. So this tool tools you can use when you are selecting the depth and the station elevation. The depth you can create it like this one, or like vertically. You can calculate the depth from here and the station elevation also from this one. So the same process I will repeat for the roundabout 2. As you see here, I draw a circle, so my profile must pass this circle. I will region this profile. So as you can see, my profile must pass this point, because this point I took elevation for this station. So this station from where I took from the main road, from the main road, this the point, because it's roundabout rotating like this one. So this I draw a circle, so exactly I know where my profile will pass is from for this point, and then again the